She never used a vacuum cleaner. You haven't used a vacuum cleaner?
No, I have it, okay? Right?
Yeah.
I want to vacuum.
Press that little button down there. That button, that little switch thing. And and then it'll bend down. And then you just keep on going like that. Yes. Don't do the cord. Hold the cord. Oh gosh. Don't eat the plastic. Whatever. You unplugged it. Turn it off. Turn it off. So that's the first.
At this.
Yeah, awesome.
Awesome.
So how did you feel?
Horrible.
Horrible. Hot. It's your first time ever using a freaking vacuum cleaner.
I think I ate a nail polish container.
Oh, so wow. Yeah, you probably did.
What are you doing?
All right, say bye.
Bye.
Bye, Panda.
Bye.
And bye, Pony. Oh, that's me.